Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Kaspa price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we are looking since the birth of Kaspa here. In the 2022 in June, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finished a wave 1 as an impulse and then a wave 2 after it, and continuation toward the upside impulsively as a wave 3. After the wave 3, we got a correction as ABC here as a zigzag, and then of course a finished ending a diagonal for your wave 5. Now after this scenario, of course, we have finished here a big impulse with an extended wave 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. And in that case, we would like to see, of course, 3 corrective waves, whether a wave 2 or a wave B, for an A, B, and a C, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, your perfect target for a wave 2 is, of course, the minimum requirement at 0.38 fib level, meaning, of course, that the price might move still for lower to reach a 0.014 cent, of course, or the wave B can still reach only the 0.23 fib level, of course, for a wave B here as an A, B, and a C. The minimum fib time required also for a wave 2 is a 0.618. Now there is of course a 0.38 that it can be of course a sooner time for this correction to be ended, which is still of course requiring a lot of time until the June 2025 of course to reach this finished correction and then start to move toward the upside. In that case scenario, of course, we would like to see a corrective waves toward the downside. Now we have started to see an A, B, C here, a probable scenario or bullish scenario of 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing a wave 1, and then probably, of course, a correction. However, this correction looks very, very impulsive, meaning that, of course, we might still moving for lower, and this might not be an impulse. Here we see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and we have reached already the 886, passing through the fib levels for a wave 2 in case we are in wave 2. Therefore, kind of like the possibility goes, of course, higher for a bearish scenario still, where we would like still to see, of course, lower prices. And this, of course, goes as a 3 corrective waves here, as probably here A, B, C, of course, for a wave A. And then another A, B, and a C, of course, or WXY for a wave B. And then, of course, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, continuation toward the downside, of course, to reach the fib levels required for this correction. In another scenario even, it can be, of course, A, B, C, D, and an E, of course, longer correction. And then still, of course, looking maybe for higher, or even with a WXY for a structure, for example, and another structure after, of course, finishing this triangle, meaning, of course, we gonna range a little bit in this area until we reach, of course, lower prices. Now, your targets are, of course, the 0.23 as a first target in case we are in wave B. Now, in case we still moving toward the downside, our second target for a wave 2 also as for the wave B can be the 0.38 fib level. So basically, those are the reading for a Kaspa. Of course, now there is some weakness showing up here, and lower prices might, of course, unfold still much more bearish scenarios. And until that time, we would like, of course, to look for higher prices again after reach a ground floor here, of course, at 0.23 or 0.38 fib level. That was it for Kaspa. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.